So what exactly happens when you ask ChatGPT to make a completely original fried chicken recipe that's never been imagined or created before? Let's get to it.
To a large bowl, we're going to whisk together some flour, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, salt, and black pepper. Now we're going to pour some buttermilk in a separate bowl and panko breadcrumbs in another. Now that's going to complete our dredging station, where we're going to take the chicken thigh, go in with some flour, then into our buttermilk, lastly into that panko breadcrumb mixture. Now let's get to work on that mango glaze. In a pot, we've got some mango puree, honey, and Sriracha sauce, which we're going to cook over low heat and let that simmer for about 5 minutes until it thickens. Hit that with a little bit of salt and pepper, and there you have it. Now we're going to shred some dried coconuts and get ready to make that waffle batter. Into a large bowl, we've got some dry waffle mix, that shredded coconut, some coconut milk, along with some curry powder and 1 large egg. We're just going to take all those ingredients and gently fold it until everything combines beautifully. And that's going to give us our coconut curry waffle batter. Now we're going to spray our waffle maker and our dog with some nonstick spray, and then go in with about 3/4 cup of that waffle mixture here. Let that go in your waffle maker, and this one ended up toasting up beautifully. Now in a deep skillet, I've got some oil at about 350 degrees. We're going to take those chicken thighs and just layer them in for about 4 minutes on each side. Give it a flip, hit that for about another 4 minutes. Take that, remove onto a wire rack, and season with salt to taste. Now to plate, all we got to do is layer things out and garnish with some fresh cilantro. And that's going to give us our spicy mango glazed fried chicken with coconut curry waffles.
Here we go. This is the most flavorful chicken and waffles I've possibly ever had.